y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're going to PetSmart right now. We've already made it. We've already made it all the way to Brunswick. We did not film on the way.
We were jamming.
Yeah, we were jamming and we were spilling the tea. But now we're going in PetSmart. I don't know if you can see that, but we're going to look at the kitties. We'll update you guys.
Oh my goodness. It's G6. G-Force. I thought that one was sniffing the other one's butt.
It's furry.
Look at the ones down here.
Aww.
They look like rats.
Oh, they're birds. Ooh, that one doesn't look like a rat. What's in here? I don't know. There's a bug. There's a bug. This is my favorite part. Oh my goodness. All of them are sleeping except for the babies. That looks like Jags.
It does.
Hello. I'm sorry, I woke you up. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. They're such sleepy little babies. Oh, one got adopted. He's like, what's up? Oh my goodness. Hey. Hey. Hello. 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 Chocolate joy. Emma. I think we should adopt the cat.
I think we should.
Dadgummit. This is what we got at Target. And Emma looks like a basic hot girl right now. So we forgot to film in Target.
Yeah.
So this is all that we got. And we're about to put it in the cooler. Alright, always be good and put your buggy up.
Yes.
Guys. We're loaded down.
Yeah, it's
It's gonna be the most awkward thing. I don't know if y'all can relate walking to the beach and like having to find a spot to sit down, and everybody looks at you when you walk in front of them. Like I don't know if that's just us being awkward, but it's just so weird. I'm already out of breath. This cooler is so heavy.
These chairs are rubbing my arms.
But at least we are stocked for snacks.
Yeah.
It was tickled on the beach. We just jumped in the ocean and it was freezing.
Cold. It was cold. My toes now.
I probably did. Take 2 of no toes.
Ow! You stepped on my toe.
People have those things.
Bro, you better make sure I don't look like this in the video either.
I can't breathe. Anyways, we'll talk to y'all later. They don't laugh. Emma fell asleep. Now she's really burnt.
My backside's a little burnt.
We went and got an Italian ice. We got pina colada. And then I'm eating only the best cookie butter out
I hope they can hear us over the wind.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I really do hope y'all can hear us. But I'm eating cookie butter with the Biscoff. Is it off? Biscoff? With an F? Biscoff cookies with cookie butter, and it's so good. But we're probably gonna lay here a little bit longer before we leave.
Oh no.
I'm not My feet are burned.
How does that happen?
She was like, why didn't you wake me up to turn me over?
And my backside, man. You stink.
She was asleep. I didn't want to mess her up. Look at you in the corner.
What? Oh.
She's in the corner of the screen.
Yeah. Lexi is a bad beach partner. She will not wake you up and you will fry.
Well, I fry, so.
You ain't fried.
Actually, I'm not. I'm kind of
Your
sad.
brain
about
is
it.
fried.
I'm kind of sad that I'm not fried, to be honest.
Man, oh man.
I wish I was fried.
You can have some of mine.
I will for sure take it.
Take it off my feet, bro. That hurts.
We had to come feed us because we were getting hangry. So we got bread. What'd you get? A sirloin? And I got Parmesan crusted chicken.
Weirdo.
I pointed at the menu and it was Parmesan
Cheese grease.
She was like, oh, it's right there.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, okay.
They just saw me stuff my face. I thought you turned it off.
And then we're gonna go to Ulta and American Eagle. Can you see me?
Yeah.
My face is so red. That's the only thing that got burned. Which is
It
sad.
looks worse with the light.
Yeah. It's still really red. So, just wanted to update you guys. Look at it like one of them. Look at this Parmesan crusted chicken. And Emma got a steak. Look. How she is ready to eat. Yeah, don't look at the knife. She got a side of fries.
Double side fries.
Oh, good girl.
Yep.
You need ketchup for your fries?
I think she's bringing some ketchup.
So Emma has a story. Last time she was here with Abby.
Let me tell it.
Okay.
Okay, so me and Abby came last year, right?
Okay.
Well, when we came, we ate a lot of bread, as we should, and then we ate what?
I said period.
Yes, and then we ate all of our food, and then we asked for more bread, and we ate all of that too, even after we finished our food. And so he was like, he looked at us, he said, "Y'all ate all of that?"
Oh.
And we were like, "Yes."
Not the naked girl.
Yes. We were just
With
like,
the knife in it.
How dare you call us fat? Like, basically call us fat.
And then he just come back and was like,
That
do you
was
need
just him
ketchup?
talking to us.
Anyways, I'm about to devour this chicken. Probably gonna take half of it home, but I can have it for
that's pink.
tomorrow.
That is moving at me. I didn't put the straw all the way down, so I was only getting the top part, but the bottom tastes good too.
Okay, so we asked if this was an alcoholic beverage because we saw it right over there. And it's not an alcoholic beverage. So it's actually a lemonade. And we got the peach lemonade.
It's so
And Emma said it's so good. Try it. I can't drink out of straw yet until that is so good.
Wait till you get to the bottom part.
Oh my god, I gotta stir it. That is good.
Strawberry stuff.
Yeah, so we can like put the strawberry in there with the peach. Are you gonna put it in there?
Yeah. Do you want some?
No.
Okay. Let's see.
You're like a barista or whatever they call.
I'm glad you didn't want any because I used it
I
all.
don't want any. Strawberry peach lemonade. That's what it'll be called.
That's
Look how pretty
it's so
it
pretty.
is.
Okay,
Looks like a Bloody Mary or something.
this is good.
I can tell.
Guys,
You was
don't
leaking.
judge.
All right, now stir and give her a taste.
Girl.
Oh.
I love some.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
Stop. Try
Wait, let me
it. Try it. It looks so pretty. Girl, you should have got some.
Oh my god.